Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, Sneo Bhalang Dhar, has expressed optimism that the ongoing issues as far as relocation of hawkers in the city would be resolved through discussions. Dhar said that for the time being, hawkers would continue to sit there as it is, and a decision will be taken when everything is finalized. He also promised that the final decision pertaining to the relocation of the hawkers would be taken only after proper consultations with the hawkers' body, while hoping that the hawkers will not go against the government.
All of them are wise people. I don't think so they'll be against the government. I will work in such a manner. All of them are my people, and we will work accordingly and nicely. We will coordinate together and collectively responsibility. Because as of now, we are trying to identify the good places for them. You see, by identifying a new place, they should be also happy. Why I should put them to the place where there is not good business for them? So I'll contact them, I'll take them on board properly. You should be unanimously decision along with the